What if I told you your phone is already obsolete? The next revolution in tech isn't in your pocket, it's on your face. Smart glasses are coming fast, with AI that reads your surroundings, translates languages in real time, and even identifies people you meet. Apple, Meta, and Samsung are racing to build the first all-in-one device that replaces your phone, laptop, and even your TV. Imagine walking into a store, no checkout. The glasses see what you grab and pay automatically. Or attending a meeting with AI avatars standing right beside you in your living room. But here's the catch: privacy. These devices see everything. Who controls that data could control your entire life. So, when your next phone is an AI headset, will it free you or track you? Would you wear AI glasses 24/7? Drop a yes or no in the comments and follow for the deep dive.